Hey there, it's Amelia, and in this video, I want to explain why it's important to order your book directly from Amazon once your book is live and available for purchase. I'll also explain and demonstrate how to order author copies on the back end via KDP. And before I begin, if you find this video helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Once you click the Publish button and get notified that your book is live and available on Amazon, one of the first things you'll want to do is order at least one official copy directly from your Amazon website. This allows you to test out the process for both an ebook and a print book, including paperback and hardcover. You would order it directly on your Amazon website the same way you would order any product. So if I wanted to order the paperback version of my book, I would just add it to cart, proceed to checkout, and order it the usual way. I checked with KDP and this is 100% allowed. You may be wondering why I'm recommending that you do this when your book goes live, since you would have to pay your list price. For ebooks, it gives you the opportunity to check to make sure your book displays properly on multiple devices, including mobile devices and on your computer. For print books, ordering directly from Amazon is not only the ultimate test to see what your print book looks like without the proof banner, you'll also be able to see how long it takes to ship, and it's also exciting to order the first official copy of your published book, hold it in your hand, and proudly display it on your bookshelf. When you launch, you'll want to snag your first official copy plus a few copies for family and friends. Also, you'll still earn royalty when you purchase your own books. Now, if you're an Amazon Prime member, shipping is free. Finally, there is another very important reason. When you first release a book, the first 30 days are the most important. That's when Amazon monitors the activity for your book. The more activity, the better. You could even achieve the #1 new release banner, which I've done several times even if I only had one review. It's all based on the activity in sales, which will improve your ranking and stimulate the Amazon algorithm. Tell your friends, family, and followers that even the mere act of them searching for your book will help. Even if they don't buy your book, let them know they can still support you for free by searching for your book on Amazon, either via the search bar, using your book name or your book title, and or combined with a related keyword. For example, let's say I wanted to find one of my computer books. I'll type in my name and a keyword phrase, and I'm able to find it. Let's try another example using the search bar. I'll search for one of my children's books, keeping my name in there, and then I'll enter the name of the book. And you'll want to experiment yourself once your book is live. If you put your name in and the title of your book, there's a higher chance that you'll find it faster than if you use the book categories. But you'll also want to experiment and ask your friends and family as well to try to find your book using categories. Now, you might want to let them know a couple keywords to try. For example, if I wanted to search for one of my children's books using categories, first select books across the top, and then you'll see all the categories listed on the left. Scroll down, and in my case, I'm going to look for one of my children's books, so I'll pick children's books category, and next, I'll select children's cookbooks. And I'm happy to see my books here in this second row. Now, it's also based on your search history. So if I was to go in an incognito window and search the same way, the results may vary. So your neighbor, family, or even your followers may not be your ideal readers, but they can still help you out by searching for your book online, sharing your posts, spreading the word, and cheering you on. You could even run a contest to see who could find your book online in different ways and give out prizes. If you're planning a launch party either online or in person, you'll definitely want to have some copies of your book hot off the presses. Imagine the delight in your friends and family's faces when they see a few copies of your book on a nearby bookshelf or end table. In a few moments, I'll show you how to order copies of your book on the back end. But again, if you need a few copies of your book in a hurry, plus for all the reasons I mentioned above, you could order a few copies directly on Amazon, which may arrive faster than ordering author copies from KDP. Now I'd like to show you how to order author copies on the back end from the KDP dashboard. First, you'll want to scroll down to the book to be ordered. And in my case, I'm going to order some copies of the paperback version of my Snowflakes with Sugar children's book. So for the paperback version here, I can either click on Order Author Copies, or I can also, through the ellipsis, select Order Author Copies from here as well. On the next screen, you see the Order Author Copies options. And the first thing you want to do is put in the quantity. I'm going to order 20 copies. I have a dozen or so at home, and I have some author events coming up, so I wanted to order some extra copies to sell in person. And next, you're going to select your marketplace and click Add to Cart. So on this screen, you could see the print cost, which is $4.20. And without shipping and tax, so far the total is $84. If you decide you want to change the quantity, you can change it here. I'm going to go ahead and keep it at 20 and then click Proceed to Checkout. On the next screen, you see the usual Amazon checkout page with your shipping and payment information already filled in, and you could see your delivery options. So I usually opt for the standard shipping, which is $13. Now there is a very expensive shipping option if you wanted to try to get it sooner. The estimated dates are pretty close, so I'm going to go with the standard shipping. Tax has been added as well, and the new total is $102.80. It is a lot less expensive to order author copies through KDP since you only have to pay the print cost. And finally, you're going to click Place Your Order, and the order's been placed, and that's all there is to ordering author copies from the back end from the KDP dashboard. If you want to learn more about KDP, check out my Author Journey Series Toolkit books and check out the description below for information on my KDP self-publishing course, How to Get Your Book on Amazon in 30 days or less. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.